So the day is here. After 2 months, we're finally moving. Going to our first spot on the lake, just about an hour from here. But first, we gotta get the RV out of my dad's house. And he's on the hill, so we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, keep going. Okay, stop. Stop. Let me get the blocks. Okay, don't turn yet. Okay, now start turning. Turn. Turn. Well, got a little scrape. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. We knew there might be a little scrape just because of the driveway, but so far so good. Now we just gotta fill up some propane, get some more supplies, and we're headed to our campsite. We've only gone a mile. Here's the state of how it is right now. The drawers are opening, so definitely need to get some magnets or something for it. But otherwise, so far, so good. Jayla, how are you feeling?
Good.
She's the driver. We just made it to Walmart. Well, that was probably the largest purchase of gas I've ever made. It stopped at, I think the card limited us at $100, but it says we're full, so next up is propane. Now that we've completed our first leg of the journey, I feel a lot less stressed. I just was really worried about the kitties and just everything shaking, but the only thing that's been shaking for now is silverware, and I don't really care about that. Alright, we're at U-Haul, and they fill propane here. Who would have thought? Probably should have called to confirm. I did check online, but we've never done this before, so I'm gonna try to see what the process is like. You may have seen the kitties in the stroller, and we didn't know that when you're filling propane, everybody has to be out of the vehicle. Makes sense. So luckily we had that stroller for the kitties. It was kind of fun. Here, park it for now and let's see. Oh, it's so windy. Just to prove that it's official. As you can see, it was took a couple tries, but it's okay. Everything's a learning experience.
They figured it out.
She figured it out. This girl right here I just met. But yeah, just check it out. Got some neighbors over there. We're just gonna set everything up and make some food. So this is day number 2 at Muleshoe Bend. This is where we parked yesterday. It's a very nice campsite. If you're in the Austin area, it's up near Spicewood, Marble Falls. The day didn't start out too great. Found out that we had, they sent me the wrong solar panels. These are 12 volt when I need 24 volts. So I spent half the day talking with Amazon and another company trying to get it right. But we figured it out. So now we're gonna go on a little hike and just explore the area. Look at that dock right there. It's completely like on an angle. I'm pretty sure right above it is where the water level should be. Just left the park and we had an amazing time. Jayla, what did you think?
It was my first time camping and it was a good experience for sure. It was kind of cold at night sometimes and it was really windy the first day, but overall 10 out of 10 would recommend Muleshoe.
All right, and there you have it. Yeah, what I really liked about the park is that there were no hookups, no electricity, no water. We just had to rely on what we had, and it turned out great. When you have propane and, well, we had a battery working for one day, so that's really all you need. So now we're on our way to our first Harvest Host location. We're gonna stay at an olive farm. We just got to the dump station. This is some city station, so Jayla is gonna record the process while I do it. All right, well, that was our first time. Very successful. I was just trying to go fast because there's other people behind me, but we did it.
We did it.
Yeah, turn. We just got some background info on the trees here in the orchard. And now we're gonna go taste some oil, some fresh olive oil. So I can't wait for that.
Super excited.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, look how chunky.
I know, it's true.
Oh.
That's Hunter and Buck. And that's
the cat.
Phoebe. The dark green bottles as well. Anybody that puts it in clear bottles, it's not that great oil.
Thank you. Thank you. Buttery. Just like you said.
You're gonna get a sweet, buttery flavor at the beginning.
We just got to taste some delicious extra virgin olive oil that was grown right from those trees. It was very buttery, and after a while there's like a spiciness in the back of your throat, and I don't think I've ever tasted olive oil that was so good. And so now we're cooking some asparagus hot dogs. We're gonna have some bread with oil, some tomatoes, and we also got their spice mix that they said it took them over a month to develop. So yeah, this is the view, and this is where we're at for tonight. Just on some farm outside of Austin. Wow, what an amazing dinner we just had. Pretty much used olive oil everywhere we could, and the tomatoes and the asparagus, and especially the bread, putting the spice on top. And just, this place is really cool. We're standing in the vineyard, or sorry, not the vineyard. Is it a vineyard?
Ranch.
The ranch, well, these are the olive trees. And it's just crazy that something we just ate came from them. And this place is really cool. Frank is an amazing host. We feel very welcome here. Definitely check him out. Their website is dellsfavorite.com. And I can definitely vouch for the oil and for the spices. We bought a bottle and a big spice bag, and we're gonna be using that from here on out until it runs out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you kind of where we're at, and there's 3 acres of these trees. We just left our Harvest Host location, and we really did have an amazing time. Thank you, Frank, if you're watching this. We really felt your energy and your love for olives. I thought we were gonna eat again yesterday, but we really stuffed ourselves the first time, and it was truly good. The best olive oil I've ever had. Now we're on our way back to Austin to go to Zilker Park and meet up with some people. Wow, the amount of people at this park at 9:30 is just crazy. We were not expecting it. And we got here early. As jealous as she was. Okay, I think we just found a spot that we really wanted. This one right here, it's right on the edge.
Do you want to get out and...
Yeah, I'm gonna help Jayla. All right, so I can't believe we found this parking spot. This is kind of exactly what we wanted. We're right on the edge over here. And then we also have this picnic table. So when people come later, it'll be perfect for them. And yeah, just very glad. Got here early enough. I thought we were done for. So I'm eating breakfast right now, and Jayla is taking a shower. And look where we're at, literally right in the middle of the park. She's right behind that curtain. But it's just crazy to think that you can shower in your own home at the park, one of the busiest parks in Austin. So it's just a really cool feeling.